Today I'm going to show you my 5 most pro reverse catches in Flair Bartending.
Right, here are those 5 reverse grabs coming up, plus the chance for me to tell you I'm giving away this bottle that I'm using right now on next week's video. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll choose a winner in next week's video. I do giveaways every week, so stick around.
First one's super easy. You're throwing from your left, catching in your right, or my weaker hand to my stronger hand. It's going to fly over and you're catching it upside down. So you're throwing it in this position from beer grab. It's doing a full rotation and a half, and then you're catching it upside down in the other hand. Obviously, when you get to this point, you just turn your arm down and you finish the move. So the whole thing looks like that. The second reverse catch move I'm going to show you looks like this. Beautiful move to include into many routines, sequences. There's a linking move, fantastic. To start off, you're going to hold the bottle in tennis grab. Palms away, thumbs down, grab hold of the bottle. From here, you're throwing the bottle for full rotation and a half and catching it in a reverse beer grab. That's a beer grab, reverse beer grab. So tennis grab into beer grab upside down, but remember, turn your hand down. Okay, the third reverse grab looks like this. This is the over the shoulder to reverse grab. So you're learning the over the shoulder to begin with, okay? But instead of catching it just in your other hand like this hand you're gonna turn away from you, and the bottle needs to come over the top and land in your hand like this. So essentially you're doing a pour, but you're grabbing it in reverse in the other hand. So it comes over and you grab it right there. The better you get at it, you can do more spins, which I prefer, or you can catch in the same hand. Ooh. If you want to learn how to catch it in the same hand, go check me out on a Patreon, and I've left a little tutorial on there for this move. Okay, reverse grab or reverse catch, move number 4 is the helicopter. It's like this. Now I'm going to show you one spin. Well, it's actually a spin and a half with all the reverse catches. The bottle needs to fly a little bit further to get it into reverse. But starting in tennis grab once again, you're going to learn to throw the bottle horizontally like this. I've done a video on that, you can check it out. And instead of just catching it back in your hand, what's happening is, as the bottle spins around, you're bringing your hand over the top, so your fingers are pointing towards the floor and you're catching the bottle on top of it, okay? Like so. So you throw like this, the bottle spins, your hand comes round, your arm comes up, and you catch it. So throw, catch. You see how my arm comes up and I catch the bottle in reverse grab. Beautiful move. Right, the 5th and final badass reverse grab catch was actually one of my signature moves. Looks like this. I do actually find this move easier with a double spin because it's quicker and it means the bottle flies around faster and lands in your hand. But imagine the first move. It's like this. It's exactly the same, but you're throwing from your right to your left behind your head in a shadow pass. So the bottle is coming up all the way over here, and as it comes over your hand, it's got to come over your hand and into your hand upside down like this. So, like that. But a double spin means it spins a bit faster and you can catch it a little bit more aggressively.
So, as promised in last week's video, 3 Grail Jiggers are going to 3 lucky winners, and the first one is Lars Forsman. Congratulations, Lars. Second Grail Jigger is going to Oxide Aura 1451, and the third and final Grail Jigger will go to Bertrand Yorit. Congratulations. If you 3 can send me a message on Instagram, I'll get them out to you as soon as possible. Cheers.
Give it a shot, try it out for yourself, let me know how you get on, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video if you liked it, and until next time, see you then.
And just before I go, I want to say a massive thank you to all of these legends who will support me over on Patreon. If you want to get involved, go and check me out, patreon.com/Tom Dyer Bartender. There's a link down below. Amazing. See you later.